What's the meaning of adversely? Adversely. 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 The word adversely is an adverb that describes a negative or harmful effect on something or someone. When something happens adversely, it means that it causes a detrimental impact or brings about undesirable consequences. For example, if a company's financial performance is adversely affected by a recession, it could lead to layoffs or reduced profits. In medical terms, a drug can have adverse effects on a patient, causing side effects that are unwanted or dangerous. Overall, when something happens adversely, it implies that it is not beneficial and can have a significant negative impact.